Hello everyone, Samantha here, and welcome back to Tech Talk, where we talk about IT-related insights. And so for this video, which is the last video for this series, we will be talking about posts we have on our social media accounts. So please do watch the whole video to know more about us, since we will also be answering questions regarding this post. So now, let's move on with the video. So, what is the post about or what's happening in it? So, I posted this since it was related to a situation at the time. I posted it. So, medyo inis ako at the time kasi binigyan kami ng pointers to review and reviewer ng prof namin and sobrang eager ko to pass that quiz talaga. So, when we received it, naka-paraphrase lahat ng questions. And enumeration pa naman siya. So, sobrang inis namin, like all of us on our class. And madaming naka-relate sa post na to. So, may mga nakaintindi nun. So, 30 items pa naman kasi siya as I can remember. So, who was the target audience that you had in mind when you made the post? So, as I said, yung mga kaklase ko is nakarelate dito since we experience it. So, my target audience for this post were my friends, classmates who understand the context nga. Kasi nga, kinaption ko pa siya na equilput ba naman kasi after the exam, I posted it agad. So, our prof din naman admitted na quinilbot niya yung quiz namin. So, who is currently actually able to view this post according to your privacy settings? So, people that can view this post is my friends on Facebook. Sila yung currently available to view this post, but only if they check my profile siguro since this is an old post. So, this is hidden to some specific friends, which are some of my family members and other friends that I will not mention. So, assume that the employer is very strict about the professional image. Will this post affect your chances of getting hired by that type of manager? Why or why not? So, if I will take it into my perspective, this might affect my professional image because this kind of post can come as pagreklamo to my professor. At this time, I posted this. So this will affect my chances of getting hired since no employer would want their employee to post these kinds of rants or shared posts on social media na may affect on what people think of them as an employer or sa company nila and what kind of work life since school life ko to on what kind of work life their employee is possibly experiencing which can lead to less possible applicants for them. So, did you change your default privacy settings on your chosen social media site or app, or take any other action as a result of this activity? Why or why not? So, I did change my default setting on my chosen social media app, which is Facebook. So, it is default to be hidden to specific Facebook friends, but I do sometimes change the setting when I post something that I want all of my Facebook's friends to see. So, for the next post is this post from last March 15. So, I posted this. So, the context is, ang toxic trait ko ay tandaan kung sino ang mga di bumati sa akin ng happy birthday at wag din sila batiin sa birthday nila. So, this was posted days after my birthday. That's why I kind of related to it. Like, I posted it as a joke. So, ganun. So, who was the target audience and that you had in mind when you made this post? For this post, siguro ang target audience ko is anyone that will find this post funny since it's just to show a joke about people who didn't greet me on my birthday and how I will do the same to them. So the next question is who is currently able to view this post according to your privacy settings? So as the same as the first post is this is for my Facebook's friends to see since it didn't consist anything na sa tingin ko is makaka-affect sa ibang tao or anyone that I am Facebook friends. So everyone that I am Facebook friends can see this post. Next question is, assume that the employer is very strict about professional image. Will these posts affect your chances of getting hired by that type of manager? Why or why not? So if I were able to take it to their perspective, I will not consider this to affect my chances of getting hired, since I think this is non-harming to anyone, this kind of post, since it's just seen as a joke by anyone I'm friends with. So last question is, did you change your default privacy settings? Again, I changed it to specific post audience because, as I stated, I viewed this post as a joke and think that it was not harmful or would not affect anyone I am Facebook friends with. So for a last post, this is a tag post. So what is the post about or what's happening in it? So this post is a tag post of my friend. So the context is, bakit sa college leader pa minsan yung pabigat. So this was related to a current situation at the time ulit. Just for an overview, yung leader kasi namin is sobrang di updated sa paper namin, to the point na when we have meetings, naririnig namin na nasa labas siya, like drinking siguro or partying, I don't know. Tapos, kami yung sasalo sa mga kakausap sa prof, ganon, when in fact, dapat siya yun in the first place. So, umabot din sa point na ako na yung nag-a-assign sa group namin since no one is reaching out. And wala kasi siyang parang sense of taking over even when it comes sa mga need namin gamitin for the defense. Ako na rin yung sumalo, like for printing or name tags or something. Kahit yung laptops, ako na rin yung nag-asikaso kasi hindi talaga siya present at the time. Like, yung presence niya, wala. So, ayun yung context nitong post na to. So, who was the target audience that you had in mind when you made this post? So, for this post, hindi naman ako yung nag-post. It's my friend. Tinag niya ako. So, ang target audience siguro namin is yung mga friends namin na may alam ng story. And hopefully, sana yung leader ko na nakita to para nakaramdam siya. Kaso, I think hindi. Kasi hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin siya. And we will still be a group up until our last SEM as fourth years. So, who is currently available to view this post according to your privacy settings? So, for this post, naka-hide na siya to some of my classmates kasi baka makilala nila, and to who yung minimin namin dito. So the next question is, assume that the employer is very strict about professional image. Will this post affect your chances of getting hired by the type of managers? Why or why not? So I think yes. If I were to take it to their perspective, I think maka-apekto sa pag-rant, ganon, about somebody, since no employer will want to have an employee who posts these kinds of things. That's why I'm positive na I will not get hired if they will base this post to what kind of applicant I am. So, did you change your default privacy settings on your chosen social media site or app, or take any other action as a result of this activity? So, I did change it na it's only my friend who tagged me and myself can view this, so only us can look back to this post since I don't want any more drama on my social media account.
So, what is the post about? Then, what is happening in the post? So, dito, it's about an employee na nag-apply dun sa company. Then, after 3 months, hindi niya kinaya yung pressure dun sa work. So, kaya umiiyak yung other side. Then, ano ba yung target audience ko when I made this post? Siguro, mga friends, some of friends na relate dun sa post. Yun, family din, ganon. And, so, wala kang specific na target audience. Basta yung mga nakakita lang, na-relate dun sila sa post. Ayun. So, who is currently able to view this post according to you? Family and friends. Yun yung nasa default ko. So, assume that the employer is very strict about professional image. What will this post affect your chance of getting hired by the type of manager? Siguro, hindi naman siguro makaka-affect tong post ko dun sa pag nag-apply ako in the future. But, relatable lang naman siya dun sa some of people na nakakita ng post. Yun. So, did you change your default privacy settings on your social chosen one? Hindi naman need na i-change yung default privacy settings ko dun sa blue app na ginagamit ko. Ayun. Kasi hindi naman harmful yung post. Wala namang bastos din sa post. Nakakatawa lang siya in some ways. Ganon. So, hello. So, the next topic is ito, yung post na to. So, dito, pinapakita yung wolf na nag-disguise siya as a sheep. So, dito, kunwari, yung HR mabait, then, siya yung sheep, then, after nun, nandun ka na sa trabaho na yun, ay hindi pala siya isang mabait, isa pala siyang wolf. Kaya yun yung nakalagay dun sa may meme. So, ganun. So, next question. What was your target audience that you have in mind when you post this? Siguro yung mga some of friends na nagtatrabaho dun sa mga company na pinasukan nila. Nakaka-relate sila sa mga HR na nakikilala nila, na may ganun siguro talaga. Pero, ayun. So, who is your currently actually being able to post this according to your private settings? Family and friends lang din ulit. Ganun. So, if next question is, assume that the employer is very strict about it. Dito sa tanong na to, hindi naman ata siguro kasi memes lang naman siya, and then tsaka in reality talaga may ganun, diba? Siguro some of company may mga ganong HR. Then next question, did you change your default privacy settings on your chosen? Kahit sino naman dun sa feed ko pwede tumingin. Wala naman kasi din dun harmful din sa mga pinopost ko. So, hindi ko na siya kailangan i-change. So, ayun. Is about so, siguro lahat tayo nakaka-relate dito. So, dito, nahanap ng HR na kaharap siya ng age 21 na employee. Tapos, with 30 years of experience. Then, so siguro yung natin dyan, in reality, no, nangyayari talaga yan sa atin, lalo na dito sa bansa natin. Mag-a-apply ka lang ng counter, then kailangan mo pang may diploma ka. Pwede naman high school grad lang, makakaya mo naman yun gawin. So, ayun, siguro lahat dito tayo makaka-relate. So, ayun, yung target audience ko din ulit yung mga friends ko, tsaka yung family. Then, ayun, yung mga experience nila na tuwing nag-a-apply sila. Karamihan naman kasi ganyan yung yung hinahanap ng ibang company. Pero, yung next naman na so, who is your current actually? Ayun, family and friends lang din sa privacy settings ko. And then, next question is, assume that the employer is very strict about professional image. Will this post affect your chances to getting hired by the type of manager? Why or why not? Hindi naman siguro talaga. Kasi, totoo namang nangyayari yan sa reality. Lahat naman ng pinapost natin, nakaka-relate lang tayo. Pero, hindi naman siguro harmful yun para hindi tayo matanggap sa trabaho na papasukan natin in the future. So, ayun. Tsaka, hindi ka rin naman need mag-change ng default settings. Ganun.
My name is Dian Gabriel Ramirez and I'm here to answer the 5 questions for this post right here, and it was posted last month. And here we go. The first question is, what is the post about or what's happening in it? Ang nangyayari sa post na yan is nakalagay early signs ng rabies pag nakagat ng aso, tapos sinagot naman siya ng isa pag nag-crave ka na ng diaper kasi so yun kasi usually yung mga aso na nasa labas, mga especially aspins, minsan nagkakalkal sila sa basura, ganun, minsan diaper ang mga bitbit nila, kanyan. Kaya yun ang sinagot sa kanya kapag ayun na daw yung sign ng rabies. Kaya yun ang sabi nung sumagot sa kanya pag nagkikrib daw sa diaper. And second question is, who was the target audience that you have in mind when you made the post? Sa akin is yung mga friends ko sa Facebook. Sila lang naman ng mga mga nakit ang target ko dito kasi nakakatawa. Kaya ko pinost yan at share. Kaya yun lang. And for the third question is, who is currently able to view this post according to your privacy settings? Ang nakakita lang ng mga ito is pinsang ko, mga close, mga kaklase ko, naka-close ko lang din, at mga kaibigan ko na close ko lang din, sila lang nakakakita ng mga yan. For the fourth question is, assume that the employer is very strict about professional image. Would this post affect your chances of getting hired by that type of manager? Why or why not? Sa tingin ko, hindi naman, kasi hindi naman harmful yung post na yan, kasi nakakatawa lang naman at wala naman siya kilalaman sa pagiging professional ko. Yun ang sa tingin ko. Hindi siya maapektuhan, hindi siya magiging masama epekto sa akin pag na-hired man ako, ganun. For the last question is, did you change your default privacy settings on your Facebook as a result of this activity? Why or why not? Hindi ko naman binago kasi wala namang masama nga dyan sa pinost kong yan. Sinare ko lang kasi purong katatawanan lang naman ang sinare ko. Wala namang mura or kahit anong masamang dyan, wala namang masama doon sa post. Ayun lang. Thank you. For this video, dito naman ay ito yung recent kong post. Ayan. Tapos first question is, what is the post about or what is happening in it? Ang meron dito is, sa post na to is wishlist, pera, tapos ang binigay ubo. Ang meaning na nito kasi ang inihiling is pera, tapos ang binigay sa akin o sa iyo man ay ubo. Kung ano yung wishlist mo, yun ang doon. Then, who was the target audience that you had in mind when you made the post? Para sa akin, wala naman. Kasi parang natawa lang naman talaga ako sa post na to. So, wala naman akong parang wala naman akong target na kahit sino sa post na to. And third question is, who is currently able to view this post according to your privacy settings? Same lang din as my friends, close ko, kaklase, mga pinsan na close din, at pili lang sa pamilya ko kung nakakita nito. Fourth question is, assume that the employer is very strict about professional image. Would this post affect your chances of getting hired by that type of manager? Why or why not? Tingin ko hindi naman sa akin kasi hindi naman siya harmful. Wala namang masama sa pinost na to. Parang nakakatawa lang siya. Yun lang ang dito sa post na to. Kaya kung makita man to nung employer, hindi naman siya ganong kasama at maapektuhan, magkakaroon ng masama epekto sa akin. Last question is, did you change your default privacy settings on your chosen on your Facebook as a result of this activity. Hindi ko naman binago kasi wala namang masama dito sa post ko na yan, kaya which is okay lang para sa akin at para sa nakakita rin. Wala namang masama dito sa post na to. So, ito naman, sasagutin ko naman itong 5 questions ulit dahil sa post na to back when it was 2020. So 4 years na nakalipas. First question is, what is the post about or what is happening in it? Meron ditong, ang nasa loob ng post is nireport yung picture niya kasi nakala nakahubad na tao yung picture niya, ginagamit yung profile sa ML, which is not, kasi kilikili lang naman yung pinapakita doon na malikmata lang natin nag-report kasi nire-report yung kanyang account. Kaya nainis siya, kaya nainis siya kung ba't nireport yung yung post niya. So, number 2 was the target audience that you had in mind when you made the post. Ang target audience ko lang naman dito is yung mga naglalaro ng ML, yung mga mahilig ML. Kaya ako to kasi madalas madami nakakatawang tao nagpo-profile lang kung ano-ano sa ML. Third is, who is currently able to view this post according to your settings and privacy? Same lang din is pamilya ko, naka-close, mga pinsan naka-close lang din, kaklase kong mga close ko lang, at mga kaibigan kong malapit sa akin, yung ganun lang din. Number 4, assume that the employer is very strict about professional image. Would this post affect your chances of getting hired by that type of manager? Why or why not? Tingin ko medyo sa akin maapektuhan kasi isipin ng employer parang hindi ako seryosong tao. Kaya tingin ko mapapasama ako sa post na to. Ganun. And for the last question is, did you change your privacy settings sa Facebook as a result of this activity? Hindi ko pinalitan kasi ang mga pinopost ko lang naman sa Facebook ko is nothing but kundi puro katatawanan lang. Itong post na yan, wala namang akong inaano dyan. Kaya ayun, yan lamang po. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I am Jude Colladores. So now I'll be showing some of the posts that I shared before or a few months ago. So the first post that I post on Facebook is about the Mobile Legends network ping. So this Facebook post from before, it became controversial. So it reached 33,000 reactions and 3.2 million views. So the post show my network connection while playing Mobile Legends. And I set the background music to a Christmas song, The Star ng Pasko by ABS-CBN. So I used this song because my network connection in Mobile Legends resembles the Christmas lights, which is the red, yellow, and green pings. The second question is, who was the target audience that you had in mind when you made the post? So my target audience for this post is primarily Mobile Legends player. So I made this post because it's entertaining and humorously highlights my network ping in Mobile Legends. And the third question is, who is currently actually able to view this post according to your privacy settings? This post is on a public post, so anyone can view this post. And the fourth question is, assume that the employer is very strict about professional image. Would this post affect your chances of getting hired by that type of manager? Why or why not? So I think no, because this post doesn't affect any chance or doesn't affect my chances of getting hired by that type of manager, because my only intention in this post is to entertain people, primarily Mobile Legends player. And then let's talk about the second post that I shared on Facebook. So this is a post I shared before, so which compares the Filipino names from the past to those of today. So I found this post relatable because my name without the E makes me look like a word person, which is June Mark without a E. So that's why many people found my shared post funny and laugh about it. So number two question is, who was the target audience that you had in mind when you made the post? So my target audience for this short post is anyone who knows my name, and I shared this post because it's related to my name and I laugh so hard. And the third question is, who is currently actually be able to view this post according to your privacy settings? So right now it's on a friend only, so my only friend can see this post po. And the fourth question is, assume that the employer is very strict about professional image. Would this post affect your chances of getting hired by that type of manager? Why or why not? I think no, because my only intention here is for the entertainment and fun, and I just want to share it with my friends only. And let's move on to the third post. So my third post is um, about the episode of A Family Feud, where the host asks, if there's no punching bag, where would you want to practice punching bag? So if wala daw pong punching bag, saan daw siya pwedeng mag-practice sumuntok? So, and then the one contestant answered that he would practice punching gay people. And his answer ended up being the top response. So the second question is, who was the target audience that you had in mind when you made the post? So this post is a friend only. I shared this post because I'm surprised that the top answer is gay people. That's why I shared this post, and I'm asking the top answer is legit. So which is my caption is legit with a question mark. And the third question is, who is currently actually able to view this post according to your privacy settings? So before it's on a friend only, but now I delete it because this can affect the LGBT community. And the fourth question is, assume that the employer is very strict about professional image. Would this post affect your chances of getting hired by that type of manager? Why or why not? Yes, no, it could affect my chances of getting hired because, especially if my manager is part of the LGBTQ community, that's why I deleted this kind of short post. And lastly, the question is, did you change your default privacy settings on your chosen social media site or app, or take any action as a result of this activity? I changed my privacy settings to friends only so that only my friends can react, share, and view my posts on Facebook. That's why. Thank you.
So hello. So for the number one, what is about the post or what's happening on it? So my last shares is all about like she graduate at her school, then the caption is ma pa LGBT na ako instead of ma pa LPT na ako, or licensed professional teacher. So for the second is, who was the target audience? So my target audience is my Facebook friends. And the third is, who is currently actually able to view this post according to my privacy settings. So yeah, it's for my friends only, friends from Facebook. Then the fourth is, assume that the employer is very strict about professional image. Would you would you think this post affect your chances of getting hired by the type of manager? For me, I think in the since in IT we all from skill base. Then number five, did you did you change your default privacy settings? So yeah, it is from public shares. Then I switch it into all from my friends, Facebook friends. So for the second is this December 2020. So yeah, it's all about the daughter of the policeman that said, "My dad is a policeman." Then the Lola said, "I don't care." Then the policeman said, "Pum." But yeah, I'm not happy with that. And for the number two is target audience. Yeah, my Facebook friends. Number three, who is currently able to view. Yeah, my my Facebook friends. So yeah, like what I said from the first shares. Yeah, they don't care about my Facebooks or socials. They care about more on my experience and skills. The number five is, yeah, I changed it to Facebook friends only. Then the last is they this post said that they want Moreno naka-fitted sando. Then so yeah, si Divata Pares ay masyadong attracted for girls kasi he wearing fitted na sando. Then who was the target audience again? So yeah, my Facebook friends again. Then who is currently actually able to view this post uh, for private settings? Yeah, Facebook friends pa rin. So like the like my answer for number one and two, sa number four, same. Then for the number five, the change your default private settings. Yeah, I also changed it to Facebook friends only. Yeah, that's for my thank you.
So that is all for our video. Thank you.